sanction.
Opposition Congress MLA from Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, has called upon Assam and Meghalaya governments to resume the border talks between the two states. Marngar, who is also one of the members of the regional committee, and that both the states need to sit again and reschedule the inspection at the disputed areas. The remaining 6 areas of difference are Khanduli and Pasiar, Block 1 and Block 2, Borduar, Langpi, Nongwa, Mauthamur and Desh Bumriye.
One of the member of the regional committee. Before election, 4 months before election, not 4 months, 5-6 months before election, we had a meeting there in Guwahati. So actually we have decided to go for the spot inspection. But till today, I don't get any information. No information till today. I think we have to sit again. The regional committee have to sit again, and we have to reschedule the spot inspection for the border, interstate border settlement.
Mauhati MLA